Good evening, everyone. We are group number 21. So our topic is solutions for the global energy crisis. So our main project or the new business idea is AI based global electricity transmission system. So first of all, I would like to go through the table of content. First of all, we'll talk about all the details about the new service, and we'll do assessment of market opportunity, and then we'll identify the target customers as well. Then we'll come up with all the types of innovation and sources of innovation and all the generic proposition of innovation. Then last but not least, we'll come up with innovation strategy based on miles and snow typology, then time-based strategy, and types of innovation networks. So lastly, new service innovation process and the strategy and management innovation uncertainty. So that's all about the content. So the next thing is to discuss the this current ongoing crisis. So this global energy crisis is very severe right now. All the commodities and all the energy prices have gone up because of the current war situation and all the non-renewable energy sources and renewable energy sources. Mainly the renewable energy sources are very limited and the non-renewable energy sources are getting out of stock currently. So this is the main issue right now. All the prices have gone up. We are facing a huge crisis right now. So moving forward, so there are a few solutions to come up with this crisis. So main thing is we have to limit our usage of this all the energy sources, like in household and industrial usage. Then we can find new renewable energy sources throughout the world, and we have to do all the innovation and come up with a good renewable energy source that can use for next decade or something. Or we can take the full advantage of and use efficiently the current non-renewable energy sources and renewable energy sources. Those are the main three solutions currently we can come up with. So we choose to come up with a system that make the efficiency of usage of these non-renewable and renewable energy sources. So talking about efficiency, as an example, these renewable and non-renewable energy sources are not equally spread between all the continents or the countries. So it's not equally spread. So some countries have more energy sources and some countries don't have energy sources. As an example, Saudi Arabia, they have all the non-renewable energy sources, but they lack renewable energy sources. So some countries don't even have any kind of sources. So they have to depend on oil, and it's very high cost to generate electricity. When talking about energy, electricity is one of the main things. So to generate energy source electricity, they have to import oil, and it will be very expensive. In some countries, they generate electricity at very low price, like 1 rupee, 2 rupee, or more cheaper, like nuclear energy sources. So, and also we should keep this in mind that this energy, I mean, the electricity cannot be stored. So storage is not a not an option for us currently with current technology. So so we came up with a solution to share these renewable energy sources and non-renewable energy sources with the continents or bilaterally with within two countries, or even at the global level. So this is called AI-based electricity transmission system, and this can come up with as a privately owned company or business, or this can be handled through government to government agreement based. So what we are doing is from this AI-based electricity transmission system we facilitate energy sharing, I mean electricity sharing throughout the continents and bilateral. So they can share the energy power, I mean electricity, when a country have all the demand and some country have the excess supply, they can share the electricity. And also if another country need they have high demand and some country have excess supply, or some countries have a rainy season, so they can generate more power, they can share with other countries. And through this they can share all the electricity generated. But the main thing is this total plant, this transmission system is developed by AI. So this is real time data. So the AI can identify the sudden demands, and also they can identify sudden excess supplies, and they can fulfill all the requirements instantly without any human interaction. So that's the system we come up with. So this will facilitate the total usage of renewable energy. We can take into the usage of consumers and all the industries. So if one country can generate more power at lower cost, and they can generate more when it comes to their rainy season or their whatever the season, or if they can generate more, they can generate more and they can share and they can have a revenue. And also this private based AI electricity transmission system company also can have their revenue from each unit transferred between this system. So this is our model. The energy demand and the excess supply can be fulfilled through this system. And also the thing is, so these countries will be benefited cost definitely by cost benefit. The main thing is, so if our country Sri Lanka can generate uh, a unit at 20 rupees, if India can generate it at 10 and sell it to us, we can do that. So it will eliminate our issue. We can take the cost benefit. Then also we can take the relative advantage. And all the countries have resources they can sell and other countries can buy. And it is very instant, and it can take all the benefits out of the renewable energy sources. And also in future, some countries may find a new renewable energy sources. So only they can generate those stuff because they have all the resources and all the technology, maybe in the future. But with this system, with this AI based electricity transmission system, they can share those energy they generate through this system, and this will be benefited to the whole global energy crisis issue. So that is about the details of this new service project. And all the market opportunity and target customers will be discussed by my fellow mates.
Then we are moved to assessment of market opportunity. We are consider the countries or companies who have capacity to access energy. They can provide their access energy to this platform to earn a profit. Then we identify the other countries who have no capacity to fulfill their energy requirements. So they can fulfill their energy requirements through this platform. And there are some opportunity for other countries or companies, especially with highly technological companies. They can use their resources and capacity effectively. So because they are providing their access energy to the platform, so they can produce energy in large scale. So it is positively effective. Then we are more to assessment of market opportunity. We are consider the countries or companies who have capacity to access energy. They can provide their access energy to this platform to earn a profit. And we consider the other countries or parties who have no capacity to fulfill their energy requirements. So they can fulfill their energy requirement through this platform. And there are some opportunities for countries or companies, especially with high technology companies or countries. They can effectively utilize their resources and capacity effectively because uh, they can produce energy in large scales to provide to this platform. Then we are moved to identification of target customers. The first one is the countries who have capacity to produce excess energy than they need and make revenue from it. We are consider the countries or companies they are like to produce energy in high capacity using mostly renewable resources. The second one is the countries who can buy energy less than cost of the production they are over. What I mean is the countries or they like to purchase energy than produce their own. The main reason for that is the cost of production is very high. So they are like to buy energy from this platform. The third one is the countries who do not have excess capacity as well as suffer from the poverty. Some countries they have no enough money to invest in energy plants, so they are tend to buy energy from this platform for on demand.
Okay, let's move to the next slide. We will discuss about type of innovation. Before discuss about type of innovation, we will discuss a little bit about what is innovation. Then innovation is the process of taking something that already exists and making it better. Okay, let's discuss about type of innovation. There are many kind of type of innovation. So we can identify types as business innovation, product development innovation, architect innovation, marketing innovation, disruptive innovation, technological innovation. So let's discuss about what is a business model innovation. Many of the most successful companies in the world manage to innovate their business model using different channels, technologies, and new markets can lead to a new possible business model, which can create, deliver, and capture customer value. Okay, let's move to the next slide. In this slide, we will discuss about the sources of innovation. So, what is sources of innovation? Where does the innovation come from? We can identify sources as needs, demographic needs, and learning demand, needful demand, like that. As according to our model, we can identify sources as exploring alternative future and opening up different possibilities, as well as demand pull or need pull, shocks to the system, extreme usage. Why we discuss this as an shocks to the system is we in this model we use technological background. In this technological, we have used the artificial AI technology. So in this kind of technology, there will be a total shocks to the market. The most of the energy market they are not using technological background or something, so it will be a shock to the system. Okay, let's discuss about the next slide. It is about generic position of innovation. In this business model, we consider about the broader market. If any country can provide a broader market, that means their product cost is low and their product range is high. In that situation, they can become a cost leadership. Two, they can earn more profit. In this our model, they can buy and sell with other countries who does not have an excess capacity of energy, so they can exchange their energy with them, so they can they can earn profit, as well as they can be the cost leader, as well as they can lower their cost relative to competition, relative advantages, as well as because of the low price, lower cost, they can have a high return, as well as economics of scale because of their average cost is average cost is low.
Consider about NPD process. Firstly, we have to identify idea generation. Then we have identified two ideas that are focused on leveraging AI algorithms and robust transmission structures to enable to sharing of renewable energy sources across the countries or regions. The second one is generating electricity via artificial wings, such as when drive a car, there is a blowing wings, so that we can identify it's a kind of renewable energy sources. Then consider a second step, it is idea screening. In here we have to choose a one solution for the process. In here we are calculate technical and feasibility and economic viability of each ideas and identify the most permit one is AI based transportation system. Okay, now the third step is concept development and its testing. Okay, our concept is develop a concept close. Third one is concept development and testing. Our concept is develop a concept for AI powered electric sharing systems incorporating AI algorithms and renewable energies real time balancing. So when we consider about the testing, we consider about the factors such as infrastructure, interconnectivity, and regulatory compliance. The next step is identify marketing strategy developments. Okay, then you can see we can identify three kind of categories as follows. Those are present in fifth one is business analysis. Okay. We conduct comprehensive market analysis to understand the global energy crisis, renewable energy trends, and customer needs. Then identify unique values, propositions of AI-powered electronic sharing systems and potential revenue streams. Another, analyze competitive landscapes, identify potential strategic partnerships, and consider the regular constraints. In sixth step, we are concerned about the product development. In here, build the function properties of interconnected energy sharing system, incorporating with AI algorithms for renewable energies, forecasting, optimization, real-time locationing, and developing full scale AI powered by electric sharing system, renewable energy source, AI algorithms, and the robust transmission infrastructure. Seventh step is market testing. Conduct marketing test or plot project. One is marketing testing. In here, conduct marketing test or pilot project in a selected region or market to validate the concept and evaluate user acceptances, access the system performance, and the sharing renewable energy sources. Then implement the pilot project in regions that have high potential for renewable energies, generations, and interconnection. The last one is commercialization. In here, develop comprehensive commercialization plan, including pricing, distribution channels, and strategic partnerships. Then establish distribution channels and partnerships with energy companies.
Let's move on to innovation strategies. There are 4 types of strategies: prospector, defender, analyzer, and reactor. Here, as an analyzer, they analyze what are the goods and bads of the market and adjust with the market. In here, we can analyze the market and identify what are the countries that they have more resources and global trends, technologies, and change our platform and strategies with the global trends. Time-based strategy. In here, there are 2 types of time-based strategies: fast followers and late followers. Late followers. In here, we identify late followers as a time-based strategy for our model. Analyze current market strategies. Analyze current time-based strategy. In here, there are 2 types of time-based strategies: fast followers and late followers. Here we identified late followers as a strategy of our analysis. Analyze current market energy crisis in terms of as a solution, build the business model for effectively and efficiently utilize current and future energy resources in globally. Let's move on to types of innovation networks. We identified three types of innovation networks: sectorial networks, new technology development consortium, and new product or process development consortium. Sectorial network, it means energy companies work together to bring the innovation to their types of innovation networks. Here we identify three types of innovation networks: sectorial networks, new technology development consortium, and new product or process development consortium. Sectorial network, it means energy companies work together to bring the innovation to their industries. Example, power plants, nuclear power, and solar power plants. Next one, new technology development consortium. As an example, all countries collaboratively engage with set standards and technologies. Third one, new product or process development consortium. As an example, power plants, technology, engineering, and concept. Now, strategies to management innovation uncertainties. First one, social and political uncertainties. As an example, success of this project depends on less diplomatic problems and regulatory uncertainties. Now, strategy to management innovation uncertainty. First one, social and political uncertainties. As an example, success of this project depends on less diplomatic problems. Second one, regulatory uncertainties. Example, regulatory bodies and rules and regulations are differs country to country. Also, high strict because energy sector is highly strategic sector when it concerned about national security. Final, technological uncertainties. As an example, technical failures.
Okay, this is end of our presentation.